Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video we are gonna talk about the manners of seeking refuge. Seeking refuge, to say A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. I seek in Allah from the cursed shaitan. A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. We will cover in this video how can we do it silently and how can we do it loudly. If you wanna know, let's start. To do seeking refuge silently, if the reader is reading silently or alone. To do it silently, if the reader is reading silently or alone, and at the beginning of the prayer. How can we do it loudly? If the reader is reading loudly and the other are listening to his recitation, so in this case the reader should pronounce it loudly to say A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. The second one, if the reading is done by turn, the first one will seek refuge and the other will do it silently. We have note here, if the reading is cut off by snoozing, coughing, or explaining any rule related to the Quran, there is no need to repeat seeking refuge. For example, when I say A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim, ash-shaytanu ya'idukumul faqr. So I'll back, I'll say ash-shaytanu ya'idukumul faqr. So without repeat seeking refuge. So alhamdulillah, in this video we have covered what is the meaning of seeking refuge and the manners of seeking refuge. I think that's all I can say. Inshallah, the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam.